All right, this is my first time doing stand-up, so lower your expectations. You ever notice how your brain works perfectly until you need it the most?
I'm just a stick standing on stage feeling great. No hair, your arms high, touch the sky care.
All right, viewers, today I've brought a brand new viral idea that can completely change your content game. So without wasting any time, let me first show you a TikTok channel called Sticky the Great. Now take a look at this. This channel has only around 279 followers, but surprisingly, it has already gained 2.8 million total likes. And if we check their video, you'll notice something crazy. Some videos have 3.4 million views, others have 5.1 million views, and many more are easily crossing hundreds of thousands of views. Now, what's the secret behind this? It's simple. This is Stickman comedy content, a minimal animated character delivering funny, relatable dialogues, and people absolutely love it. This type of content is going extremely viral right now, and that's exactly why I decided to make this video for you. Now, here's what you're going to learn today. Since I already showed you examples at the beginning, that means in this video, I'm going to guide you step by step. We'll cover everything: the full story concept, the character design, the image prompts, the video prompts, and how to turn all of this into a complete viral video. So make sure you watch till the end. Now let me tell you something important. I have already created a master prompt for you. Inside this master prompt, everything is structured professionally. 10 image prompts, 10 video prompts, consistent visual style, character details, environment setup, and everything you need to generate content instantly. You'll find this master prompt in the YouTube description. Here's what you need to do. Simply copy that prompt, then go to ChatGPT, paste the prompt, and click on Generate. Once you click Generate, you'll see that it automatically creates first 10 image prompts one by one, then 10 video prompts. But wait, there's a small problem you need to understand carefully. By default, ChatGPT might write something like, use the same style and same character. Now, if you leave it like that, your images may not stay consistent. And consistency is the key in this type of content. So here's the solution. Instead of writing same style or same character, you need to embed all character and style details directly inside every single prompt. This means every prompt should include the full character description, the same visual style, the same environment consistency. So you don't have to manually adjust anything later. And when you do this correctly, you'll notice something powerful. All your images will have a perfectly consistent character and style. Copy all the image and video prompts. Then create a simple document file named prompts and save everything there properly. This way, your entire workflow becomes organized and reusable. All right, viewers, now let's move to the first practical step: image generation. For this, we'll use a tool called Flow AI. As you already know, Flow AI is trending right now because it's free and offers powerful features. Click on Create, select New Project, then go to the image section. And now, you're ready to generate your first Stickman visuals. I select the model, Nano Banana 2. Now what I'll do is, I'll copy my first prompt, paste it here, and simply click on the Generate button. Now viewers, you might need to wait a little, because as you already know, whenever a new tool is free and trending, it can sometimes be a bit slow. But don't worry, it's 100% free and the results are absolutely worth it. And just after a short wait, boom, you can see my first image is ready. Oh my God, this is exactly what we wanted. Same character, same style, same mic, everything perfectly consistent. Now let's move to the second one. I copy the second prompt, paste it, click on Generate again, wait for a few seconds, and boom. My second image is also ready. You can clearly see it's again perfectly consistent with the same character. Now I repeat the same process. Copy the third prompt, paste it, click Generate, wait a bit, and boom! Another clean, brand new image is ready. Then I move to the fourth image, paste the prompt, generate it. And as you can see, the fourth image is also perfectly done. Same style, same character, everything on point. Now viewers, instead of wasting your time, I've already pasted all the remaining prompts, 5th, 6th, 7th, 8th, 9th, and so on. And all images are now being generated one by one. And after a short while, Here we go. My final results are ready. All the images are generated exactly according to the prompts. The character consistency is perfect, and the overall quality is really impressive. Now here's the next step. You simply need to download all images one by one in 2K quality. As you can see, I'm downloading each image in high resolution. Alright viewers, I've now downloaded all the images in 2K quality, and we are done with the image part. Now it's time to move towards the video creation step. And for that, I'm going to introduce you to a brand new tool. So without wasting any time, let's jump into it. Let's go! Alright viewers, now let's move to the video creation step. For this, you need to open a website called Gemini Gen AI. Now listen carefully. Today, I'm going to show you how to use Grok AI. And yes, it is 100% free, I promise. No hidden charges, no credits required. So first, simply log into the Gemini Gen AI website using any Gmail account. Once you log in, you'll see an option called Pro Studio. Click on that. Now inside Pro Studio, you'll notice something powerful. You can generate images and even videos. And right here, you'll see Grok AI completely free. No credits, no limits, just pure free generation. Now let me show you the first generation step by step. I go to the upload section and upload my first image. After that, I go to the video section. Now I take my video prompt, which we already prepared earlier, copy it and paste it here. Next, I set the settings: format, portrait, resolution, standard, duration, or range. 6 seconds. Make sure you follow these exact settings for best results. Now, I simply click on Generate with Grok. And as you can see, the video generation process has started. After a short wait, you might see a message like, finalizing your AI-generated video. This may take a few minutes. Don't worry. At this point, just click on Go to History. Once you open the History section, boom, your first video is ready. And honestly,
Alright, this is my first time doing stand-up, so lower your expectations.
wow, this is amazing. The animation, the character consistency, everything looks perfect. Now I download this video and save it. Next, I repeat the same process. Upload the second image, add the video prompt, click on Generate. Wait a bit, go to History. And there you go. My second video is ready. And again, you can see how smooth and impressive this looks. Now I do the same for the third image. Generate it, go to History, and boom! Another high-quality video is ready. Honestly, viewers, this is looking very unique and highly engaging. So I hope you're realizing how powerful this method is. You can literally create viral Stickman content at zero cost. Now let's move to the final step, editing. For that, I open CapCut. Then I simply drag all my videos into the timeline and arrange them in a proper sequence to build a story. After arranging everything, here's the final look of my video. Everything is perfectly aligned and smooth. Now I just click on Export. And that's it. My final Stickman comedy video is ready. And just look at this. Oh my god. This entire video was created using 100% free tools. So viewers, if you watched till the end, I really hope you found this idea valuable and exciting. Please, subscribe to the channel, like the video, and share it with others. I'll see you in the next video.